senhor Manzana tem de outra banda, o que nós trabalhamos seca e ganador de prêmio também, é ganador contesta correto, o que nós trabalhamos na busca da põe é ganador, para enriquecer o prêmio. Como ter esse programa?
Tem um amigo lá em casa dele, da Sierra Link, então mais interessante com alguém de corso para de stream, um bacana de stream, então rifa algo patrocinante de corso.
Ok. Não, me dou contente com a participação, dá uma participação. Senhor Manzana tem que ter caminho a botar. Senhor Manzana, se o coração está grande, deve ter caminho a botar.
Focus Remix. Focus Chemo. Focus Puff. The Jokers.
That's the free Augustine skater.
That's a trance skate.
First got it when he was 6, didn't know any tricks. Matter of fact, first time he got on it, he slipped, landed on his hip and busted his lip. For a week he had to talk with a list like this. Now we can end the story right here, but shorty didn't quit, it was something in the air. Yeah, he said it was something so appealing, he couldn't fight the feeling, something about it, he knew he couldn't doubt it, couldn't understand it, branded since the first landed. Labeled a misfit, a bandit, his neighbors couldn't stand it, so